I'm very unprepared to make this video, but today we're comparing Alen Sultanic versus Russell Brunson. Who is gonna win in a fight? I'm just kidding. We all know the answer. I'm not sure if Alen Sultanic did martial arts or anything like this, right? However, if I have to put my money on who's gonna win in a fight, I'm gonna go for Russell Brunson, and I'm gonna show you the reason why. I'm gonna show you the reason why. I'm gonna scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna see Russell Brunson being in a wrestling competition. So in a fight, definitely Russell Brunson will win. I got my money on Russell Brunson. However, what's gonna happen? Who is a better marketer in my opinion? Because I bought a lot of stuff from Russell Brunson. I bought expertsecrets.com secrets. I went to Funnel Hacking Live. I watched a lot of online courses by Russell Brunson. And when it comes to like the information he provides, the information that Russell Brunson provides is very actionable, guys. So Russell Brunson can definitely take you from point A to point B in a very straightforward manner. Just by reading his books, expertsecrets.com secrets, you can create a business from scratch. So it's very, very actionable. So what Russell Brunson gives you a car. He gives you a vehicle from going from point A to point B. So it's kind of like, let me go. So I'm just gonna grab a car and I'm gonna place it here. So this is what Russell Brunson gives you. In terms of like what Alen Sultanic gives you, he's gonna share how this car works. He's gonna take you inside the engine, right? Inside the engine. And he's gonna explain how the different elements of the engine works and like what makes the car work. So I believe both of those people, they're great marketers. And I believe there are stages in where the stages you are, you know what I'm saying? Where you should go to the different marketer. For example, if you need something extremely actionable, if you need a step-by-step process, if you need a very structured approach, I would suggest you go for like Russell Brunson. In this case, Russell Brunson will be the winner. So in terms of like fighting, and in terms of like simplicity and beginner-friendly material, I would do it for Russell Brunson. But also Russell Brunson is good for very, very advanced stuff. However, if you are like more advanced marketers and if you're gonna get in the nuances of marketing, I believe my award, the second place, goes to Alen Sultanic. I think Alen Sultanic is also amazing. I definitely think you should check them out both, but it depends if they're fighting. If it's an MMA fight, the money goes to Russell Brunson for sure. And what's the best place to follow Alen Sultanic? I think his Twitter is very good. So if you go on Twitter and if you type Alen Sultanic or Alen Sultanic, I'm not sure how it's pronounced, 10,000 followers. And this is the guy. He's drinking a coffee. He has glasses, That's the guy. He's surfing. I'm not sure if that's Alen Sultanic or if it's just like a generic image. He has a very good information about marketing. And he's going to explain like the psychology of like people, why people buy, why people don't buy. I think it's amazing. I think you should follow both of the marketers. If you're just starting out, you can go and follow Russell Brunson. You can do the 5-day challenge or whatever it's called. You can go and like buy his books. So he has .com secrets. So if you're just starting out, this is the book I would read. .com secrets. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see the cover. Go and read this book. Go follow Alen Sultanic and become a superior marketer. And don't play around with like Russell Brunson. He's doing wrestling, and wrestling is a very, very difficult sport. I'm doing Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. We're doing wrestling only on Friday. I'm doing it for 2 years. Let's remove the background. And it's difficult. Wrestling is difficult. And this is why Russell Brunson is an amazing marketer. And this is why he got the first place. I'm sorry, guys, if you're Alen Sultanic fans, Nothing held back. Oh, also, you should join the Nothing held back community. So if you go on like Nothing held back, that's the group. Nothing held back TM. Join this group. There is a lot of good information. And yeah, there is nothing else I want to say in this video. Bye for now. Oh yeah, like, subscribe. Just do the YouTube stuff.